So today we will be solving the math equation 214 minus 136 using the US standard algorithm. And so we will be doing subtraction, and using this strategy, that means we'll be removing 136 from our total of 214. And so to solve this problem, to represent this strategy, we will first build out our number, which means we need 100, 200, 110, and then lastly our ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And so if we count this up, we have 100, 200, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214. To solve this problem using this strategy, we will start with our ones place. So we have 4 minus 6. And if you'll notice, 6 is bigger than 4, which means we don't have a convenient way to currently solve that problem, as we only have 4 ones here and we need to remove 6. So the way we'll get around that with this strategy is we'll break our 10 block here into ones, and we'll trade it in. This program allows me to just ungroup the blocks. So now you'll see we have what was one 10 block is now 10 ones. I'll just spread them out. And so to show this on our equation, we'll cross out the 10, making it 0, because we now have 0 tens, but we added 10 ones. So our 4 becomes 14. We can double check this by counting them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sort of a weird counting system, but we got to the right number. Now, the math problem we're solving, the step we're solving, is 14 minus 6. And so notice now that 14 is larger than 6, and we do know how to solve this quite conveniently. So we'll remove 6 blocks from our 14 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can count up our remaining ones we have up here to know what answer to write over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we have it. 8. Now we get to solve for our tens place. And so we have 0 minus 3. And this is 0 tens minus 3 tens, right? And we run into the same problem we ran into before, where 0 is smaller than 3, so we don't have a convenient way to solve this problem. And what we'll do is we'll borrow from the 100s place like we did with the tens before. So we'll break down this 100 into tens. And now we should have 1, 2, 3. Let me just spread them out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this last one for 10. So we have 10 tens that we got from our 100 block. We can show this on our equation as well. We used to have 2 100s, now we have 1 100. And we used to have 0 tens, but now we have 10 tens. And so looking back at the equation, what was 0 tens minus 3 tens is now 10 tens minus 3 tens. So let's pull 3 tens out. 1, 2, 3. And I'll just do a little rearrange so it's clear which pieces we're keeping. Keep them all on the top. And so now we can count our tens that we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tens, which makes 70. So we'll put a 7 right here in our tens position. The last part of our math problem we have to solve is 1 100 minus 1 100. And that leaves us with 0 100s. So we can put a 0 here, but I won't write it in just for clarity. And so our final answer, because 1 minus 1 is 0, so 1 100 minus 1 100 is 0. Our final answer is 78. I'll give it a big circle so it's nice and clear.